from YouTube. This is supposed to be a an orange helicopter. It just looks red, but yeah, it's carrying. This is not fake. It's Gary's mod, and it's carrying my helicopter. That son of a bitch! Those faggots! They took my helicopter. They took my job. Yeah, so let me just go there. Sucks. I'm gonna guide this. Okay, so we are right here. So play. Yeah. 3. Let's go to number 4. So yeah, it's cool, huh? Thank you for sharing this, folks. It's been an honor. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you. There's a bunch of new helicopters in the market. This is the WAC. It's very good. The crane is kind of hard to use. You get used to it after a while. I just got this today, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Thanks, folks, for listening. Peace.